In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Monday. comAutomations not working. Open monday.com in your browser, then go to the board where the automation is failing. In the left sidebar, click the board to open it. Once you are on the board, go to the top area and click Automate. In the Automation panel, click Manage. This is where you can review the automations connected to the board and check what is happening with them. If you see a failure listed here, that error can point you toward the exact issue, which will connect to the fixes we are going through next. Stay in the Automate area and keep the Manage tab open. Look through the list of automations and check whether any of them are disabled. A disabled automation will have its toggle switched off and it will appear grayed out. Monday.com can disable automations automatically in certain cases, such as when a column is deleted, when the board item limit is reached, or when the account is reactivated after being paused. If you find an automation with the toggle turned off, click the toggle switch next to it to turn it back on. As soon as you do that, the automation becomes active again. It will trigger the next time the qualifying event happens on the board. Next, check whether the automation is broken because it is pointing to something that no longer exists or was renamed. In the same Manage tab, look for any automation that shows a warning indicator or an error message. That usually means the recipe is still there, but a column, board, or group it depends on is changed. When you find that broken automation, go to the right side of it and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, click Edit. This opens the automation recipe so you can repair the missing connection. In the recipe, click the underlined trigger element. This will usually be the column name or another linked part of the automation. A drop-down will appear. From that list, select the correct column to reconnect the recipe. After that, click Save. If the original column was deleted completely, the automation cannot reconnect until that column exists again. In that case, recreate the column first, then return to the automation. Click Edit again, select the underlined trigger element, choose the recreated column, and click Save. If the automation still is not running, check whether you have hit your monthly automation action limit. Go to the top right corner of monday.com and click your profile picture. In the menu that opens, click Administration. On the Administration page, look to the left side menu and click Usage Stats. In the Usage Stats area, find the Automation section. Here you will see how many automation actions have been used out of your monthly limit. If that usage bar is at 100%, your automations have been paused. At that point, the issue is not with the recipe itself. The account has simply reached its automation capacity for the month. The available paths are to upgrade the plan for more actions, or wait until the monthly limit resets at the start of the next billing cycle. Now go back to the board to check automation ownership and permissions. Click Automate at the top of the board again, then click Manage. In the list of automations, look beside each automation for the owner avatar. This shows who owns that automation. If the owner has been deactivated, changed to a guest or viewer role, or no longer has access to the board, the automation can fail without a visible warning. In that case, the problem is tied to the permissions of the person connected to the automation. The automation needs to run under a valid owner with the right access to the board. Sometimes the automation itself becomes corrupted after platform updates or bulk edits. When that happens, the fix is to recreate the automation from scratch using the same trigger and the same actions. That clears out the broken version and replaces it with a fresh one. After you complete the relevant fix, test the automation again on the board by triggering the event that is supposed to make it run. Then go back into Automate, then Manage, then Run History, and check the latest result. You want the status to show success instead of failure. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Once Run History shows success, the automation is active and working again.